This video is particularly about VBA, that is Visual Basics for Applications and Macros in Microsoft Excel. So, to understand why they came into existence, we should take a story so that we should be able to understand what is the reason behind all these concepts. So, anyone can do the VB or the macros thing practically, but to understand that makes it more like easy to understand why it came into picture and how is it used. So take a scenario in which you have an Excel sheet, you got a data on a daily basis. Now there are some of the steps or the pre-processing tasks, some formatting, some editing that you need to do on Excel each and every day, like on a regular basis. Then to do the same kind of steps on that data, it is very cumbersome. Like you need to automate it again, like you need to automate, because why would you do it again and again? So in that case, like macros and this VBA part comes into picture, where to understand macros, you just think about that you are recording each and every click of yours, that whatever the steps you are doing on the data sheet. So what are the steps that you are doing? Someone is recording that and writing it into a script, and just giving a kind of a shortcut key to that script. And when you press that shortcut key, then all those formatting and editing just gets done automatically. You don't have to do anything. So that is a kind of macros thing that is. So macros is a simple thing that you are recording the clicks whatever you doing on the data sheet, and later you can use it for on any other sheet. So that is macros. So now in the backend of macros, what you do is you are recording the click stream, but at the backend it is writing some scripts. So what is the script that is getting written to do this? So that is a part of VBA. So either you write the script, you can also edit the script or the VBA script that you are having in the Microsoft Excel. So this is the basic difference macro and VBAs. So VBA is just you are writing the script and later you can use it to automate the things, but VBAs you are just recording whatever the clicks you are doing on a data sheet, and at the back end is like script is getting written automatically, and later you can use both of these concepts.